Hello everyone, welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. This is Rohit. Today I'm going to show you the string formatter, or that is called placeholder in Apex. I hope you are good and doing well. So let's get started without any further delay. So before that, if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe the channel and please turn on the notification bell icon so you never be miss any kind of updates from my side. So let's get started again. So here, what is string formatter, or we can say that placeholder in Apex? Today I'm going to show you this kind of like titles. So here, suppose you have some string template, let's say string and str, or you can mention any name as you want of the variable, and you can make it this string template based on your requirement, let's say account name, and based on this account name we have placeholder. So this bracket, that is called placeholder. So under this placeholder, let's say it's always start from 0, right? So 0 index here you can see, and let's say account rating, and this account rating here you have to mention like 1. So once you done your like string template here, so now you have to do one thing. This is the formatter. Here you can see this the formatter. If you already mention some like some data like account name as a 0 and account rating as a 1, your string or your data automatic comes here in this template, and now you can use it anywhere as you want. So once you done it, now you have to do one thing. It's always contain the list here, so create the list of like object, and it's obj equal to new list of object, right? And it's contain two things, because I already mentioned here that is called 0 and 1 inside this placeholder, right? So now you have to mention, let's say demo account, this is the account name, and second rating as hot, right? Like hot. And once you done it, now please observe here this first data, that is called this data demo, like this demo account, it's automatic comes here inside this 0th position, and rating as hot, it comes under the 1. So your output will be look like as account name, demo account, and account rating as hot, right? So that is the main purpose of this template of this string, right? So once you've done it, now we have like string class in Apex. So string contain different types of methods. So one of the method is that is called format. So you can use it, let's say string result equal to, and then you have to use like string class, then format, and you have to pass this two parameters inside this one. First is obj and then the template name, right? So let's say obj comma template, and once you've done it, now you have to print your output using this debug log, right? System.debug and result. So you will be see this output here, that is called account name, and then space and colon, or you can remove this space between them, let's say this one, and give one space here, and it's automatic comes here, let's say demo account, right? And account rating colon and hot, like that. So this is the output of this small snippets. So now please observe here, this template you have to mention first, and based on this placeholder like 0 and 1, and you already pass some value here to here, right? And this value automatic comes here, and then you have to use this string dot format, and you have to print your output here, and the finally output you can see here, this one, right? So once you've done it, now it's time to do practical part, how to use it this snippets inside our code. So you can use it using any kind of editor. So I am using VS Code editor here. I already connected one org, Salesforce developer org, right? So now here just you have to copy and paste your code, or just you can write from the scratch as well, right? So let's say a string like template equal to, let's say, account name and then placeholder 0, and we have to mention like rating and then 1. After that you have to give semicolon. Once you've done it, now you have to create one list of object obj equal to new list of object, and after that you have to give the value, let's say demo account, and the rating you have to use rating like hot, any kind of value you can mention here, and after that you can use it here, let's say a string result or string dot format like this. So let me open my code. I already wrote some code, and let me check this one. So you can change this one first like template, and after that obj, right? So sequence you have to mention like this. Once you've done it, now you have to print it using system dot debug, and always the best practice in the Apex, always use the debug log label. So always use like log label dot debug, that is the best practice. And here you have to mention your result, because once you scan your code using Apex PMD, that time you will be get some error or some not error, just kind of warning. So this is the best practice, always use the logging label, right? So once you've done it, now it's time to execute this piece of code. So right now I'm using anonymous code inside my VS Code. So just here you can see the execute anonymous Apex, just click it here and it's automatic execute your code. And let me tell you, and let me show you the output here. Now you can see the output in debug red one, account name demo account, and rating as a hot, right? Just let me add another placeholder inside here, let's say account number, and account number colon like 2, and after that you have to mention the account number here, and number should be integer, not a string, and just execute again this code, and let's see the output here. So once you've done it, immediately you can see the whole output in a single line: account name demo account and rating hot, and the account number 1 2 3 4 5 6, here you can see, right? So this is the way to use this placeholder inside string formatter, right? So this is the best, or like this is the good things inside the Apex. If you make it this kind of requirement in your project, so you can use it. This is a very useful for us. So guys, I hope you learned something new in this video. If you like, this is a very informative, please share this video among your friends and colleagues. So till then, bye bye, take care, see ya. Thank you for watching, guys.